This station rules the nation.
Around the corners, no doubt.
Good morning, dear Slayer. Good morning, dear Slayer. 911 and the apple trees just got down.
Good morning up there, 911. Good morning up there, 911. Bulldozer and BYU with the good morning wave.
Now, BYU just jumped up in my radio. Hello, coming out of the BYU 911 New York City. We waving a hand right back.
All right, 7-9. Yeah, it's rough, man. There's a...
Oh, good Lord. 911, 911. Old Salty Dog just come up in there and took you clean out of my receive. With his one antenna Suburban. Old Salty Dog, Bulldozer, and the BYU with the good morning wave.
Hey, Bulldozer, you doing your thing, Bulldozer. Hey, Bulldozer, let that funeral bell ring. No doubt about it. 911 in these trees, we waving.
Hey, 410 there, Salty Dog, man. I got you.
10-4, you just tell her we're on. 7-9, and we got to consider the big old 4-1 wave. Road 5, keep both hands on the wheel, man. And we'll catch you later. I'm back on the mill.
That's just a mess out there. That is just a mess out there. A whole lot of Bulldozer and a whole lot of Deer Slayer I receive. 911 in the apple trees just got down.
911, I thought I was hearing you out there, but man, that was a mess. I had to wait till Mother Nature kind of leads the way. Just a little bit more. 911 in the apple trees. Slayer, Waco, Kajobi, Waco.
Got down.
I heard you, Deer Slayer. I heard you, Deer Slayer. Man, it's messy out there. It is messy out there, Deer Slayer, but you made it through the mess. 911 in the apple trees, we waving.
Man, I got it all, no doubt. 911, have a great day. And a good weekend.
I'm gonna read some too. Oh, Bulldozer, like a caterpillar, you know, a bulldozer. Not a bulldog, man. I run over little puppies, man. Oh, Bulldozer, cruising up with a station in the bayou.
Hey, Bulldozer, you making noise in the apple trees. Hey, Bulldozer, you making noise in the big apple trees. 911 New York City, we waving.
Hey, 911, you sound good down here when the apple trees. You ain't quite on top of it, but I did hear you in there that time, 911. Good morning, Wave, and Jackson to the weekend. Well, a little bitty station in the BYU is on the mail.
10-4, Bulldozer, I heard it, you said it. I heard it, you said it, Bulldozer. 911 in these trees, we waving.
Yeah, let me see if I can get you in there, 225. I heard you that time. Come on back there, bring it.
911. Hey, if you can, pass the 5. Old Deer Slayer, old Bulldozer waving from the bay.
It's making it, man. Yeah, I turned my...
10-4 on that, Bulldozer. I got the video gate rolling. Hopefully he'll hear it. But as soon as I let go of the key, as soon as he let go of the key, because I think he's on the mall right now, I'll definitely pass the nickel. We're digging that funeral bell you got going on there, Bulldozer. 911 in these trees, we waving a hand.
135, Oklahoma. No, 14, 911.
I'm getting a little too far left.
Back, I'm gonna get over here. I got a 2x12.
135, Oklahoma. Good Lord, man.
Hey, y'all have a good one out there.
I'm not pointed at either one of you, but I got close enough to hear you. Weekend wave, Deer Slayer, back on the mail.
Hey, Deer Slayer. Hey, Deer Slayer. Bulldozers out there. Bulldozers out there in the BYU. He's trying to wave the hand to you. 911 in these trees. We passing the nickel.
Radio, too. Good morning up there around Michigan, buddy. Top of the weekend to you. Sounding good.
Gonna try this one more time for the March of Dimes. No doubt about it. Hey, Deer Slayer. Bulldozers out there. He's trying to wave the hand. Good morning. 911 in these trees. Passing the nickel.
All right, Smokestack. Well, you got me stuck between 20 and 30 dB down here, man. Sounding good, too. Have a great weekend, buddy. Stay warm or cool, whichever the situation is. Smokestack, appreciate the shout. Dear Slayer, Sam Piles on the mill.
Well, I guess Dear Slayer will catch it on the video gate. 911 New York City, we reading the mail.
Copy, dying.
Good morning, Rusty Zipper.
And them sand piles making noise in my radio. Ain't nothing but the sand piles. They're coming back strong after that storm. 911 in these trees just got down.
911, you're 243 down here around Pensacola Beach, Florida. They're trying to wave a hand at you on this Friday morning.
Good morning, 243. Good morning, 243. Sounding a whole lot of good in my video gate in the Big Apple trees. 243. 911 New York, we waving.
76. Yeah, the imitation 29, you know, and a jam amplifier. Just another box builder.
Slayer, Sam Piles on the mill.
And over the last you're 243 down on these piles. We waving at you, we go. I got that wave, I got everything you said, and I'm going to wave right back. I got to get back to the workbench. I was having a good night doing you careful on that road. There's a cruise on that little station on the mail.
Weekend wave up your way. Screaming Demon, Connecticut. Appreciate the shout. Dear Slayer, Sam Piles on the mill.
Roll them if you got them. 911 in these trees just got down.
Good morning to you, 911 New York City. Good morning to you, 911 NYC, 135 Oklahoma, saying good morning, Roger.
Hello, 135. Good morning, 135 out there in the black gold. 911 in the apple trees, we waving.
We with the truth, no doubt about it. Roger, 911 NYC. Alrighty, man, we're going to step wide to the side. We'll talk to you later. 135 Oklahoma, standing by.
Yeah, it gets a little messy every once in a while, 135. But I got you clean and clear in my radio, New York City. 911 in the trees, we reading the mail.
I heard a 627 Connecticut Mobile. If I got the numbers right, 413 in the sand piles waving back.
Hey, 413. Hey, 413, you cleaning out my receiver in New York City. Hello, 413 out the sand pile. 911 New York City, we waving.
11 Big Apple trees, 413 waving right back.
Yeah, man, it's crazy. It's like a local over here. You like a local over here in New York City, 413, cleaning out my video gate in the apple trees. 413, 911 New York City with the morning wave.
Bump down 911, man, it sounded all kinds of good down here in the sand pile, no doubt. Top of the Friday morning to you. Welcome to the weekend. 911 Big Apple trees, empty pockets, Tampa Bay.
I heard that you said it, empty pockets, nobody but you. Over here dancing around in the strawberry patch in New York City. 911 in these trees, we waving a hand.
From 383, I was actually talking to 1200, but he was on the 714.
One more time for the margin time. Hey, Domino. Oh, worldwide, 272 with it, Dangerous Mobile around Baton Rouge. Out to you.
Right on, man. Yeah, I hear that bulldozer off the back side of this thing in the back chatter as well. He's got a hammer down, I can tell. 1137 getting on down in the world of sound.
Hello, 1137. Hello, 1137. 911 in the apple trees, we waving.
911 in the apple trees.
What's going on, 1137? Good to hear you in my receive. 1137. 911 in these trees just got down.
Yes, you did, man. Sound all kinds of good down here in the show me this morning. I'm just enjoying these conditions, man. It's coming from every which direction. Radio station 1137 just got down.
Yes, it is 11:37. Sometimes it gets a little crazy. Sometimes there's a whole bunch of train wreck in there, you know what I'm saying? But give it your time, man. Jump in when you can. The pool is warm. 911 in these trees just got down.
Right on, man. Have a great day up there in 73. You know who it is in the show me, and I'm getting on down.
10-4, no doubt about it, 11:37. 911 in the apple trees with the video gate rolling.
.410 on this little bitty station and big audio getting on down.
Hey, 11:37. I hope you're not sleeping on the job today, 11:37. I hope you're not sleeping on the job today, 11:37. 911 in these trees just got down.
911, and I heard you in there as well, Domino. 11:37, cruising.
Cut me a miss. Hey, 911, can I get my name called? 59 and down. A lot of big radios out.
Hey, 59, we heard you in there, 59. Hey, 59, we're going to put your name in the Hall of Fame. 59, 911 in these trees just got down.
I like how the station sound coming. Ooh, that cut me smoking. Hey, 911, you got it going on. Cut me don't touch nothing. 911, woo, clear.
Right on, Domino. Go ahead and pour me.
We heard that, 59, man. With 11:37 jumping up in there. We heard you, no doubt about it. We appreciate the flowers. We're going to roll them up and smoke them. 59, 911 in these trees just got down.
Right on, man. I appreciate that compliment, and keep some of the flowers for yourself. Sound good down this way as well. I added just a touch more lower end up in there this morning. I hope it sounds good on that end. Radio station 11:37 just got down once again.
That's the way it rolls, 11:37. Every day is an upgrade. Every day is an adjustment. Every day is an upgrade. 11:37. 911 in these trees. We reading your mail.
Right on. Have a good day. Bye, 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 bye.
That's what I'm talking about. Clean, and pristine audio. 911 in these trees just got down.
Right on, Trinitron 9. I heard you up in there as well, man. You and 911 both neck and neck. That's the 11:37.
Friday 5, get down wave.
Yeah, we heard you out there. We heard that gator out there in the Everglades. We heard that 647 out there. 911 in these trees. We waving right back.
Hey, I heard you in there, 911. I better bump it down the wave of Friday 5. 911 in the trees. 647 with that weekend wave. I'll see you, big brother.
Round
I heard that you said it's 647. I heard that you said it coming out the Everglades. 911 in these trees just got down.
I'll tell you what, Duck Plucker, that thing sounds good. Hey, 911, you got her covered up down here in the old Everglades. 911 in the trees, blowing smoke on 647. Stepping off to you.
Hey, 647. Hey, 647, you watching me? How'd you know I just lit one up? How'd you know I just lit up one of these funny cigarettes? 911 in these trees just got down.
Hey, 911, I guess great minds think alike there. Hey, 911, I just had one of those plant-based breakfast burgers.
That's how it is, man. They go together for me. If I'm on this radio, man, I gotta be burning something, man. They go together. 911 in these trees just got down.
Hey, 911, if it ain't one of them left-handed cigarettes.
I'm telling you.
Hey, 911, enjoy your day. 73-647, stumping and waving out. Gotta go. I'll see you. Bye-bye-bye.
10-4, 647. Always a pleasure to hear you and my receive. 911 in these trees just got down.
Radio check.
And that's my 911 410. I'll see you, big brother. I'll see you.
Hello, round DX land. Hello, round DX land. 911 smoking these big trees, and we just got down.
What's going on there? Hey, Tron. You see what's going on, Captain. When you bump that thing down, you got the weight of the whole world on your shoulders, Captain. You got to park, Captain. Get off the stop. Hey, Tron, park, Captain, because you got the whole world on your back this morning. Good morning, Tron. 59 downtown, Big Bama, working the Yazoo. I'm stepping, bye-bye.
Hey, 59. Hey, 59, we're gonna give you some amnesia. Hey, 59, we're gonna give you some amnesia. Oh, 59, 911 in the apple trees just got down.
Hey, Tron, I thought that 911 come up in there and say he gonna give me some of that. He wanted some of that Yazoo. Hey, 911, that was you come up, Captain, but you didn't hold. You come up strong, Captain, but you ain't hold. You got like this. Yeah, I get it. Hey, 911, watch the back truck. Hey, 911, 59 and bam, say y'all, let's go, baby.
Hey, 59. Hey, 59, we said we're gonna give you some amnesia. We're gonna make you forget about that other duck. Oh, 59, 911 in these trees just got down.
On 911, you got him sounding like an android, man. Hey, 911, you smoking, Captain, nigga. Hey, sound like a broadcasting station. You're just smoking. And in the background, sound like an android. Hey, 911. They sound like an android in the background when you got that mold down. Hey, 911, let's go.
Hey, 59. Hey, 59, never mind my minions out there. Never mind my little minions out there. Oh, 59, 911 in these trees just got down.
You see, when you got up, I got right back down on that, Captain. I ain't waiting, Captain. Wait for the band. Hey, 911, okay, round you in the big trees. I'm gonna ease this Captain on down and let the band roll on. Hey, 911, whoa, class 59. Yeah.
10-4, I heard that you said it, 59. World class, Mr. 59 out there in the BYU. 911 New York City with the video gate rolling.
Hey, Tron, there it is. I got it turned down low. I gotta go now.
Hey, 59. Hey, 59, let me see if I can snatch him out the air one more time again. Oh, 59, 911 big trees just got down.
Hey, 911. They make me do what I do. Hey, 911, why you been in big tree? Captain boys, a whole lot of action, man. Lord knows there's a mess this morning. Well, good morning, 911. Once again, I'm looking at world-class Yazoo this morning on the coast of Bam. 911 in the big tree. Yazoo, I'm stepping. Bye-bye.
You got that world-class Yakimo rolling. Sounding a whole lot of good in my video gate in New York City. That Yakimo smoking. 911 in these trees just got down.
901 DM, 901 DM, 901 DM. Breaker.
That's what I'm talking about. Sounding clean and pristine in New York City. 911 smoking these big apple trees. And we just got down.
901 DM. It's a 901 DM. Yazoo, 410.
You gotta get them numbers right. It's 911. It's 911. Those emergency numbers in your radio just got down.
That's all there. You can use this for waiting when I go fishing. No doubt about it. That's for sure. Okay, take care. Y'all sound real good on that northeast corner. No doubt about it. Just spinning and banging. That's what Cotton can show up in this Cotton Yazoo. Good morning. Once again, your number one station, Uptown, Westmobile. I got down and going.
That's my 911 Roger. And we checking it.
Hey, 911, you got to let your people go, because you keep doing something illegal, nigga. I'm watching you. You coming in? Hey, 911, you doing something illegal up on the northeast corner. What?
10-4-59. 10-4-59. We're going to chill on the scene with the gangster lean and read on the mail. 911 in these trees just got down.
Got nigga trying to get in your business, nigga. Hey, 911. That cat nigga back there trying to get up in your BRZ. Hey, good morning, Trinitron. I hear you in the back. That cut me. You gonna have to pull up on the slot, cut me. Hey, Trinitron, 911 got it down. You gonna have to pull up on the slot, cut me. Boy, you got it down. Good morning, Trinitron. 911 in the big trees. I've got the stuff now. Bye-bye.
Hey, 59, don't start no mess now. Hey, 59, you tell that Trinitron he gotta do some radio push-ups. You tell that Trinitron he gotta do some radio push-ups. 911 in the apple tree with the mall down.
Tim, right on, cut me. Hold up, Tron. Let me roll at 5, cut me. Don't stay on the mall too long. Hey, Tron, don't stay on the mall too long. Hold up, cut me. You got to hear what's going on. 911 says you got to... 911 says you got to do some radio push-ups, cut me. Hey, Tron, I got to go, man. Y'all give me sticker. Hey, 911, get on out there with that mess. They told that man got to do some radio push-ups. Hey, Tron, watch yourself. I'm stepping. Look at that.
Hey, 59, man, it's been fun. It's been fun, 59, no doubt about it, man. But they gotta do them radio push-ups. 911 in these trees. We reading on the mail. Hey, 59, I left them still yapping. Hey, 59, I left them on the key. I left them ghost talking, 59. 911 in these trees just got down.
Only thing I caught on that is somebody said they rocking on, man. Lord knows, boy, it's a mess. I heard something on the tail end say, I'm rocking on. That's all I heard. 410. Hey, 128, you know I got to say good morning. You tell me while you in that mobile. 120 in the big Rhode Island, Ghost. Man's in Brother Florida, waving. Hey, 128, class 59 on my little Yazoo this morning. Good morning, Snake Doctor, Ghost, man, waving.
They said that Trinitron 9 is still ghost talking out there. I said, we need an exorcism over here in New York City. They said they still on the key. You left them on the key, still ghost talking. 911 in these trees, still got down.
DJ the break. Oh, the man out there ghost talking. Don't start that company. Hey, 911, you done done enough damage for this morning. Now relax, I'll see you now.
Call that man a priest. Call that man a priest, because he ghost talking out there. He needs an exorcism. 911 in these trees just got down. One 59 and bam, I'm on my little Yazoo. I'm stepping now. Bye-bye. Hey, 59, now you gotta be careful now. Now you got that worldwide mobile. Now you got that worldwide mobile out there in the BYU trying to get in your business.
Tell him Yazoo. Hey, 911, tell him you're just a Yazoo. 14-watt dead T45 on the top end. Hey, 911, tell him Yazoo. Class 59, Yazoo, getting down and go.
That's all I heard in that video gate over here in the Big Apples, that world-class Yesu. That world-class 59, 911 in these trees with the video gate rolling. Worldwide Mobile out there in Baton Rouge making noise in New York City. Hello, Worldwide Mobile 911 in the trees, we waving.
DA land. Mobile around Show Me State, man, you tell him 59 on the Yazoo say bye, lights on, cut nigga. They tell him the green lights on and I'm gone, cut nigga. That was cut nigga sure.
Station 1137 down here in the Show Me State with the wave.
They go to cleanup hitter. They go to cleanup hitter at 1137 out there in the Show Me State. 911 in these trees, waving a hand.
Waving right back at you, and I believe 911's got the pipeline all of a sudden.
Tell you, heard your audio song.
Yeah, I heard you clean it up right there. You got your Swiffer going on. 1137, 911 in East Trees with the video gate rolling.
410 on cleaning it right up. You're doing the same thing down here at the moment.
You gotta get that Windex out. So it could look clean and pristine. 911 New York City, we reading your mail.
410 on wax on and wax off. I got that.
Golf course, make quiet.
Wax on, wax off, paint the fence and the floor. Mr. Miyagi was trying to show that dummy how to eat the coochie. 911 in these trees just got down.
Man, sounding real good on the golf course. 637 on 1-800 can hear you there. Come on.
I let that second gate go over 30 minutes. Had to start another one. 1137 getting on.
All right, 1137. You're not sleeping on the job today. You said you're already on your second gate. That's what I'm talking about. 911 in these trees just got down.
Yeah, I think this is I think I just started the third one of the morning. I think, anyway. But it's a rolling.
Yeah, it gets a little noisy to record straight up like that, to do like a whole half hour or a whole hour like that of just a bunch of hash and trash. That's why I take all them pieces and put them together in segments, man. I give you the highlight reel and none of the mess. 911 in these trees just got down.
Yeah, well, with Facebook, if they're over 30 minutes long, they don't want to upload. Usually about 28 minutes is a max. If it's more than that, it don't want to upload at all. I'll have to break them up into smaller videos. And yeah, when it's real trashy, I'll just hit pause. And there ain't no sense in having to listen to 10 or 15 minutes of hash and trash.
That's exactly the way you do it, man. Because everybody got a short attention span these days. Nobody's trying to sit there and watch a whole hour and a half. I got people out here roll gates for an hour and a half of just hash and trash. Who's going to sit there and listen to all of that?
Exactly. Station 1137 with these smooth sounds just got down.
He ain't got a sugarcoat 1137. He ain't got a sugarcoat. He got to do some radio push-ups over here in the Big Apple trees. 911 New York City just got down.
10 on them push-ups.
We're trying to promote some wellness out there. We're trying to get everybody moving and exercising. 911 in these trees just got down.
I'll be curious to see what this audio sounds like. I added just a little more lower end up in there this morning. A little more bass. Hope it sounds good on the receiving end. 1137 getting on down.
Well, you'll see it in the gate, 1137. You'll see it in the video gate over here in New York City. You sounding clean and pristine. 911, we reading your mail.
I heard 3 of y'all that go around. That got rough, man. Oh, I'm getting some feedback here. Let me turn that down. I don't know who all was in there that go around, but 1137 getting on down.
Let me see if I could clean it up. 1137, 911 in these trees just got down.
Yep, yeah, you cleaned it right up, no doubt.
I had to get out my Swiffer. 1137. Whatever it is you doing over there, keep on with the keeping on. 1137, sounding good in my radio. 911 in these trees just got down.